Hi everyone, it's Rob. Just wanted to give you a quick run through in case you're having any trouble on how to use that scanner app that I mentioned. That's a quick and easy way to get your worksheets uploaded for your exams. So let's have a look. It's the Office app, and it's here in the bottom right corner on my screen. I think it's one of the best ones you can use, and it's free. It's part of the Microsoft Office account you get as a student. So if you're not set up with that already, I would go ahead and do that, partly because not only do you get all the good Office programs, you get that 1 terabyte of storage through OneDrive. So let's click on the Office app and open it up. We get a few options there on the bottom. It says Home, Plus, and then it says Actions with 4 little circles above it. Let's click on that. If I scroll down there, I've got various actions I can take, but if I scroll just a little, you see one of them here in red is Scan to PDF. Let's click on that. And now I can go and I can scan a page. Let's just pick one of these pages from the textbook here. I can move my camera around until I think I've got it. Press the button, take a picture. There it is. And it's not quite right, is it? It's a little bit off. So I'm going to use these little handles on the side to expand my selection to get the whole page on the screen. You can just play around with that until you think you've got it about right. There we go, good enough for now. Click done. It'll now convert that into a proper 8.5 by 11 image. Looks pretty good. And now I've got a choice. I can add new on the bottom left, or I can say done on the bottom right. Well, I probably got more than one page, so let's click add new and take a second picture, second page. There we go. Process that. Oh, that looks pretty good right there. And I'll just click done. That's my second page already scanned. When I've got all the sheets that I want to scan in, just keep clicking add new. Then I'm going to hit done down on the bottom right. And now it shows me my complete file. It's a 2-page file in this case. I can see them both. And now my next step is to upload that or share that to my OneDrive. That's the red button in the bottom right. Click on that. It opens up a screen where I can rename it if I like. So I can go in here and I could say, go type my name if I prefer. You could actually leave it as a default because when you upload this to D2L, it'll get associated with your name anyway, so I'll know whose it is. So there we go. That's the name of my file. Where am I going to save it? I've got OneDrive selected. If you want to select something else, you can click the arrow on the right and pick where you want to save it. Scroll down a little, and then there's a big red upload button. That's the one you want. Click upload. It processes it for just a minute and then sends it off, and it's done. I'm all finished. Once I've got to this point, the file will be in the folder that I specified, in my case, OneDrive. I can now go to my computer and go to D2L. Click on the Assignments tab at the top and choose the Dropbox folder for the exam. And then say I want to upload a file in there. And when it asks me which file, I navigate and find the file that we just created and attach it and upload it, and I'm done. Just take you a few minutes to put in a multi-page document. It's just that easy, and it's the perfect way for me to be able to see all your work when I'm marking, so that I can make sure I give you proper credit. There we go. Try to practice it a few times before the exam so that you're confident and comfortable with it, and it's one less thing to stress about on exam day. All right, take care.